Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I'm gonna share with you a lovely pizza recipe. Please watch full video so that you'll not be missing any of the steps making pizza base as well as pizza toppings. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notification. Now let's get started with the ingredients part. 2 cups of maida, all-purpose flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 2 tablespoon of normal oil which you regularly use it for the cooking purpose. And 1 cup of lukewarm water. 1 cup of lukewarm water. Now it's a time to make a pizza base dough. So let's get started. The bowl is ready now. Now to make this pizza, you might be thinking making pizza at home, is it really come well, or how this really results in the end? Yet the result is absolutely perfect, guys, if you watch this video. And now I just added lukewarm water of half cup and just added 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just whisk it well and the sugar should get melted. And yet the result is absolutely perfect, guys. Cheese also melt really well. You're gonna love this recipe and you really feel like doing at home itself. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of yeast. This whisk it well and this will take another 5 minutes to melt it. So this should activate, yeast should get activated. If you this yeast should get activated means you have to add 1 tablespoon of sugar with the lukewarm water so that the yeast will melt and activate very soon. Now that yeast got activated, now what you have to do is the step where you have to follow with the flour. Yes, all purpose flour, it's a time to add. Now I'm just adding 1 cup of all purpose flour and now it is whisk it properly. There should not be any lumps. And now whisk well. And this is really a lovely delicious recipe, guys. You have to make it dough in such a way that which is very healthy and fluffy dough breaks keep kneading, you get very soft, smooth and very sticky dough, super sticky. You need it completely sticky to your hand, and that is how the dough makes for pizza base. And it is very healthy, guys, because we are making at home. Always we used to prefer to have in the Pizza Huts nor in the Domino's. Yes, of course they will be making very delicious pizzas, but even we can make it at home also now, because this is a situation where you can't have it outside. So now you just add oil of 1 tablespoon. Remaining 1 tablespoon you can add it later. Now just mix it well, knead well properly. Super sticky it should be, and the recipe is very easy, very smoothie. And now you add, if you want water, some more water, because the knead have to be very sticky and smooth and soft. It should come out the result like that. Now whisk well, guys. Now before that, till then I'm going to tell you what how pizza, if you have, you're going to gain more calories who are in the diet, of course, but still it is very healthy, guys. And pizza, this contains nutrients, go a long way to protect your heart and prevent diseases. Other sources of nutrients in pizza includes cheese, which contains calcium, protein and vitamin A. Pizza is the dough which contains some antioxidants due to the chemical reactions of the yeast. Now it is so sticky, and if you knead with the, now start kneading with your hand. Enough of whisking now. Now there is no lumps, but you have to knead it as you knead, your dough will come very soft. You need at least for 20 minutes. The average slice of pizza has 12 grams of protein. Pizza can help you absorb an antioxidant found in brightly colored with vegetables that may lower your blood pressure rates. And knead well, guys. This is really a dough where you can make very softy and sticky. You might feel a bit irritated, but still your dough will come very smoothly, and smoothie way you have to make it your dough. So dough is like where it is very healthy, guys, pizza. So you had to, it will be very delicious. Fresh vegetables are one of the healthiest pizza toppings we can. And now just spread. Now dough is ready. You just spread some oil top of the dough so that's close with one wet cloth till it get activate. So it will really pop up like anything, the dough. Then you can start your base doing it. Till then you have to wait at least to keep aside for 1 hour or half an hour, or you can make 2 hours also. How much you keep aside, it will that much it will be soft your dough, that much base it will come so smoothie and soft and very tasty and delicious base pizza you can make. Many people associates this food with grease and high calories and will not eat it. If they are on a diet, there are also some who classifies it's a comfort food or just something quick to grab for a dinner, because they'll just order it through online. So if you make at home, it is more healthy, right? Just prepare after seeing this recipe. Now just I've closed with the red cloth and kept aside for at least I kept for 1.5 hour. So after 1.5 hour, if you see the dough, wow, it is so sticky and so it is pulling nearly 5 centimeters. Wow, look how the dough got. It is really came out so nicely, wonderful. So I've done an excellent job, right? And you also prepare it, definitely you'll also feel the same. The dough is ready. Once again, I'm just ready to now make a knee, and it is very time to make a base. So these are the ingredients. So I use it for the toppings: butter, tomatoes. I've removed the seeds. Now these are the mixed jalapenos, and this is a pizza base sauce, and this is white onions, and 1 cup of cheese, and capsicum of 1 cup, and green olives. These are the toppings which only I have. Now you can use only the capsicum as well as tomato, not at all a problem. I Whichever I have, I'm just using it. Guys, this is the step which I forgot to show you. This, after making a base, just prick it once so that your base will pop up like anything. You can just give it some pricks through fork, spoon, and so that your base will pop up in your pizza. It will be very so soft, yummy, delicious food. Now I'm just showing how you have to just spread it. Okay, knead this for at least 1 to 2 minutes, divide it into 3 pots, and just actually you have to knead well, and dough breaks, keep kneading, you get very soft and smooth. Yes, I am just for your bottom of the pan pizza, just you apply the butter and apply evenly, you spread it and place the base into the utensils. Take the rolled pizza base to the pan, and now yes, it is ready evenly. You just spread it. Now it's at a time to give a pricks. Actually, now here I missed that step. So now take a fork and just give a pricks, which I've showed the previous video. Yes, give a pricks. Now it's a time, you might, many of them might be having the doubt that how much we should spread the pizza sauce. Now look, I'm using 2 to 3 spoons of pizza sauce. So this is how you have to spread evenly, and there should not be any confusions, guys, after watching this video. If you have any doubts also, you can ask me in the comment section, so I'm gonna clear your doubts. So these are the sauce spreading is done. Now I'm gonna use cheese, guys. This is very important step. Cheese, you have to spread it more as you are cheesy lovers. Our family is also a cheesy lover. Whenever we go to Pizza Huts or Domino's, we'll always order for the extra cheese burst. For that, they're gonna charge also, but still we love that. And guys, I'm using mozzarella cheese for making pizza. This is just for pizza only, and now I'm just using it white onion evenly. I'm spreading, and it really toppings are going to look so colorful, guys. You have to wait and watch till end, and really you're going to have a delicious pizza at the end of this video. So now I'm placing the toppings, that is one white onion I placed. Now I'm placing the tomatoes. Wow. Now I'm just gonna place the capsicum, chopped capsicums. Wow, you have to make medium or a small size chopped, because every slice you should get all the veggies to have. You should feel the taste of all the veggies as well as cheese, sauce, base. Wow. Really, I don't know who found this pizza. I really love the pizza. Now look at how now I'm placing the green olives, which is really healthy, and now look how I'm I'm placing, and it looks more it gives really a rich look to the pizza. Now how I'm placing the green olives. Now next I'm gonna use the mixed jalapenos, like I have a green as well as the red. I'm placing it evenly, so each slice should get, everyone should have all the veggies. So this is how it is going to come. And most of them would be thinking that pizza is for pizza sauce and how this and all very more too much calories we are going to gain. Pizza sauce can boost your immunity, you have to have more and more, and too much also not good, as every video I'm telling. Now I just spread everything. Now again, if you want, you add up cheese, guys. If you don't want, that's okay. It is an optional now, but I'm gonna, because we are a cheesy lovers, so I'm just adding more cheese on top of the pizza also, all veggies also. And veggies also I've added cheese, so I want cheese burst today. So it is done now. Wow, look at this pizza. It is so colorful, and now it is ready to cook. Let's get started. Yes, this I'm gonna cook in the microwave. The pizza does not burn from the bottom, absorb the flavor, so that I've just grease it with the butter on the way on the base of the pizza. So if you do it in a kadai, it makes another 15 minutes. It takes hardly, and let this place it into the microwave now. So after placing it, hardly it takes 6 minutes. Now let's see how this is going to pop up, how cheesy it will be in the end of this. Oh wow, this after cooking this pizza, really we are going to enjoy the yummy and delicious and lovely pizza with the cheese burst. So this is how it is going to cook now. Look how the base is popping up. Wow, it is really delicious, guys. I'm serving this with oreganos and chili flakes. The cheese really melted so nicely. Wow, look how the cheese are melting out in the microwave. So guys, this is really a healthy recipe. You can really try it at home. It is very simple ingredients, and you can simple steps. If you follow this recipe, definitely anybody can make the pizza, and it is not a big deal, or it is not a rocket science also. You can make out. Guys, till now you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. I'm going every day, daily, every day I'm doing different videos. Please watch it. Wow, now look at the cheese burst pizza. Wow, oh, look at the base, how it has turned out. Now look at the cheese. This is pulling out really 5 centimeters on lovely pizza it turned out. Thank you guys, take care, have prepare at home. Thank you, bye bye.